Hey everyone, I hope everyone is doing good. So, this video is just a conclusion to the Jenkins playlist. I officially want to conclude the Jenkins playlist. We literally started from very much scratch and we literally saw what actually Jenkins is, what it does, and what are the powers that Jenkins brings us into our plate. We even saw what is multi-branch pipeline, how do we integrate webhooks. We even saw few projects and how do we implement it. So yeah, that was a lot of learning that we did. So even right now, I am not concluding this playlist. If there is any topic that I find that we should learn, I'll definitely add in this playlist. But yeah, all the core concepts are covered from my end. So yeah, I just wanted to give a formal conclusion for the playlist. I hope you learned a lot from this playlist. If you are stuck somewhere, just post the error in the comment and let me know so that I can help you with the form of video. I'll just create it and share it over the comment section. Right. So yeah, that was all. Let me know what are your suggestions and feedback for this playlist. And also, we have created one 6 hour long one shot video that is a combination of all the 29-30 lectures that we have created so far. So that if you want to learn it in one shot, you can just go for it. Right. So yeah, that was all. Thank you so much for being so supportive. That was all. See you in the next one.